Welcome to Chengdu Charming Yard Nature Nook Hotel, a sanctuary of tranquility awaiting your discovery. To begin planning your exquisite escape, simply scan the QR code displayed on screen or consult the description below for booking details and exclusive offers. Nestled in the heart of Chengdu, China, this five-star haven offers an unparalleled blend of luxury and serenity, perfectly suited for both discerning business and leisure travelers. Imagine yourself enveloped in an oasis of refined elegance, where impeccable service and breathtaking surroundings converge to create an unforgettable experience. The Chengdu Charming Yard Nature Nook Hotel boasts 526 exquisitely appointed rooms, each a testament to sophisticated design and comfort. Whether you desire a spacious suite or a meticulously crafted guest room, you'll discover a haven of relaxation. Every detail, from the tasteful furnishings to the thoughtful decor, has been carefully considered to ensure your utmost comfort and rejuvenation. Wake to the promise of a delightful breakfast, knowing that your day will then unfold with possibilities. The hotel itself is ideally located, a mere 20-minute journey from the airport and a short 2.5 kilometers from the bustling city center, granting effortless access to Chengdu's vibrant culture and attractions. Spend your days exploring the ancient streets, indulging in culinary delights, or perhaps immersing yourself in the rich tapestry of local traditions. Return each evening to the hotel's tranquil embrace, perhaps unwinding amidst the lush gardens or taking a refreshing dip in the sparkling swimming pool. Families are warmly welcomed. Children aged 3 to 12 stay free, ensuring a memorable experience for the entire family. Furthermore, complimentary access to a state-of-the-art fitness center is at your disposal, allowing you to maintain your wellness routine throughout your stay. Embrace the opportunity to craft your perfect escape to Chengdu Charming Yard Nature Nook Hotel, where every moment is designed to be cherished. Remember to scan the QR code to reserve your experience today.